Hello everyone, my name is Hui, and I'm 33 years old. The goal of this channel is to introduce the place where I live, Vung Tau, Vietnam. I love this city so much that I want more people around the world to know about it and hopefully experience it for themselves one day. On this channel, I want to share what everyday life in Vietnam is really like. No scripts, no staging, just real life as I see it. I've had this star fruit tree for almost 2 years now, and it still hasn't produced a single fruit. Honestly, I'm starting to wonder what I'm doing wrong. If any of you know how to make a star fruit tree bear fruit, I'd love to hear your advice in the comments. This first video is a simple morning walk with me. I'll show you the seaside park and the beach where I usually spend my mornings. It's 8 o'clock in the morning now. The air feels fresh and comfortable. Motorbikes are the most common way to get around here. Traffic can sometimes be a little chaotic. So if you ever visit Vietnam, always look carefully before crossing the street. On the right, you'll see the city's public bicycles. Anyone can rent one and ride around the city. Pretty convenient, isn't it? Since it's summer, there are quite a lot of tourists here. The streets are busier than usual. Along the sidewalk, you'll often see people selling different things. The lady ahead is selling lottery tickets. Unfortunately, I didn't bring any cash today, so I couldn't buy one from her. All the sounds you hear in this video are real. You'll hear traffic, car and motorbike horns, and sometimes even people arguing. That's simply part of everyday life here. People in Vung Tau love sitting at sidewalk cafes. The atmosphere is cool and relaxing. Many people come here to chat with friends, scroll through their phones, or even work remotely. You always need to be careful when crossing the street here. See what I mean? We've arrived. This is the park where I usually come for my morning walk and exercise. This area was originally built as a book street, but after a few years, most of the bookstores closed. Many of them have since become cafes or music shops, so they can afford the rent and keep their businesses running. Across the road is the beach. My city has 2 famous beaches. Locals call them Front Beach and Back Beach. The one you're looking at now is Front Beach. It's mostly popular with local residents. Back Beach is usually busier with tourists. Many people are swimming in the sea. Some older people are lying in the sun and covering themselves with sand. I once asked them why. They told me it helps relieve joint and muscle pain. I'm not sure whether that's actually true, but it's something many locals believe. There are also many groups of tourists enjoying the beach and taking photos together. Almost every park in Vung Tau has outdoor fitness equipment like this. People of all ages can use it for free. That's one of the reasons why I love living in this city. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of trash on the beach right now, but it won't stay that way for long. Every day, sanitation workers and garbage trucks come to clean the beach. In about 2 hours, it will look clean again. People here also enjoy gathering in the park for outdoor activities. They paint, play group games, or simply go camping with family and friends. And of course, there's a playground for children. It's completely free to use. That's all for today's walk. There are still many more things about Vung Tau that I'd love to share with you. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.